Hey guys, it's David, and guess what? I'm gonna go outside today! Yay! Fucking faggot! Bitch! That's my dog, Emily. All she does is just sit there all day. Cause she's fat! She doesn't do anything else. Actually, no. Yeah, you gotta give her props. She's 12 years old, she's still kicking. You gotta give her props. Isn't that right, cutie? Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Alright, well, what the fuck you barking? What the fuck? Leave. Fucking dog. Anyway, one of the reasons, well actually pretty much the only reason, that I'm going outside is because my friend Tyler is in 8th grade, and I get out of school before him. Can you shut up? Stop crying. You're a guy, stop crying. You're a pussy. You're a fucking bitch! You fucking bitch! Yeah! Okay, before I was rudely interrupted, I'm going outside because, the person I share this account with, his name is Tyler, he's in 8th grade, and, since I'm in high school, I get out of school before him, so I'm gonna give him a nice warm greeting when I go outside. Yay! Gotta put on my shoes. Gotta put on my shoes. Yeah, gotta put on my shoes. I'm gonna leave the door open. I'm gonna leave the door open. Oh my god, it's fucking cold out. Oh my... Oh god, the camera. This is gonna fall. Alright, we're good. As you can see, it's kinda cold out. And the sun's probably in the way, so I'm kinda gonna go like this. I don't know if that does anything. But, yeah, so now those dogs are barking? Are you kidding me? Shut the fuck up. Damn it. So I'm just gonna entertain you guys by playing some basketball. So, yay! Fade away. Oh, damn. Oh god, there's a guy up there. Oh my god. I think he heard me. God, I hope he didn't hear me. Okay, the sun's kind of in the way, but... Play some basketball. You saw that. That was pretty tight. Oh, let's go for the upper. Oh, damn it. But all naked. I'll just chuck it off, and then I'll go. I'm gonna fade away. Down. One minute. I'll go like that. Damn it. What the fuck? God. Reverse. Yes! Boner! Alright, as you can see, I am a champion of basketball. Oh god, there's another guy over there. God, everyone watches me in this fucking town! Alright, Little T's bus can get here for like 5 minutes. So, I'm just gonna walk down here. Oh my god, there's poop everywhere. Oh my god. Oh, I'm just stepping. Oh, no, that's a rock. Never mind. Here's my old pool. It's full of ice. I'm gonna try to touch it. Oh my god, that's really cold. Oh. God, I need to lose weight. So I'm just gonna be going back. Ow! Ow! God! Oh, fuck. Hey guys, here comes Tyler's bus, and I'm really excited, and I hope he's here, and yeah, I'm really excited. You can probably hear it. You can probably see it in the background too. You see that? You see that? There it goes. Oh wow, fucking son. Son of a bitch. God damn. And would you fucking look at that? The kid's not even fucking here. Oh shit, I shut my camera. Oh my god. There's a kid up there, but it's not him. Because Tyler doesn't live up there. Tyler lives right there. And he's not here, so I just wasted all my time. God damn it, Tyler, what the fuck? Alright, so I'm going back inside now. It's really cold, and my dog's barking again. But, yeah. I'm gonna go now because I think I'm gonna have frostbite. I can't move my hand. I was out there for like 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm just gonna take this off. Puppy. But yeah, I'm gonna go, guys. So peace out, dog.